going on YouTube? This is your boy 6 Gear. Pretty sure you guys already seen all my kayaking stuff that I've been doing. Bought a brand new Pelican Challenger 100X angler kayak. It's pretty fun. I'm learning how to do this. I'm enjoying it. I'm learning how to balance myself on this thing. Just a learning curve, I guess, to get your confidence in. There's a lot of neat features. It has a little center console with a cell phone holder, 2 bottle holders, and the compartment goes up, which goes up here. You can store stuff in there. It's got a nice cushioned seat. It's got 2 fishing pole holders right behind me, which I have to get used to turning around and getting it. It has an echo pack, which is a plastic tray. There's 2 more fishing pole holders in the back too. The echo pack comes out so you can put a bag in that little compartment in the rear. It's quick. It's not that bad to maneuver. I also bought this little strap for the paddle. That way it won't, if it falls over, it won't go very far because it's hooked up right back here. So it's a great safety feature to have. This is an overall great experience and I really recommend it. I'll do a little fishing video one day, but right now I'm just getting to know this balancing on this thing. I'll catch you on the next one.